Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application. And first of all, if we want to remove unwanted object from our video, we can duplicate our video. You can right click on your video and click on copy, and then you can paste it just like this. And we're going to go to the mask option to remove the unwanted object. Go to the video and select mask, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask. And for example, I'm going to remove this phone from my video. I'm going to take another part of this video to cover the phone. I'm just going to take this part, for instance. You can also zoom in or zoom out. Just adjust the mask like this, and you can go to the basic, and you can drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. You can also zoom in or zoom out. It's up to you guys. Okay, and now it's done, and this is the final result. Wait, I think I should zoom in again. Just make it bigger until it's fully covered. And if you're still not satisfied with the result, you can go to the adjustment, and then you can adjust the exposure, the highlight, or the contrast to make it more natural. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove unwanted object from our video using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.